Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Ally mobile banking application not working on your Android device. Ally Bank is a digital-first bank offering a variety of financial products including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, auto loans, and investment services. The Ally mobile banking app allows you to conveniently manage your accounts from your Android devices. If your Ally Bank application is not functioning properly on your Android device, then here are some basic troubleshooting steps you can follow to fix the issue by yourself. The first thing to do is to close and reopen the app. Simply go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom left from your Android device, which will then bring up the app switcher. Simply swipe up to the Ally Bank application and release your finger to force close the app. If you want to remove all of the background running apps, tap on Close All and go ahead and open up your Google Play Store next. Now we are going to check for the app update if available. Search for the Ally application in the search box and then from the search result look for the Ally Bank app and tap on it to open it up. If you see an update for the application where it shows you the update button, simply tap on update to download the latest version of Ally Banking application. Once you have the latest update for the application, you might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still continues, then consider clearing app cache and data. Go ahead and press hold the Ally application from your app drawer and tap on App Info. From the App Info page, tap on Storage. Now, click on Clear Cache at the bottom right and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left and tap on OK. Once you do that, open your Ally application once again and try logging in and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, consider reinstalling the app. Simply find the Ally Bank app from the app drawer and press hold to it for a few seconds. Now tap on Uninstall and tap OK in the pop-up. Once the application is uninstalled and removed from your device, get back to your Google Play Store and reinstall the app and see if that fixes the issue. This will now ensure a clean installation for the app and your problem might be solved right there. So those were some of the basic and easiest troubleshooting steps you can take in order to fix your Ally app not working issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.